Welcome to today's tutorial. Are you ready to get your WhatsApp chat super organized? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add people or groups to a custom list on WhatsApp. This updated method will help you streamline your conversations, whether it's for family, friends, or work. So let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. This is the first step to accessing all the new organizational features within WhatsApp. Once you're in, tap on the Chats tab. This will bring you to your main conversation screen. Then, swipe down on the Chats screen to reveal your lists. You should see options like All, Unread, and Groups, along with any custom lists you've already created. Now, find the custom list you want to add people to. Once you've located your desired list, tap and hold on to it. This action will bring up a menu of options. From the options that appear, tap Edit. This will allow you to modify the list's members and settings. Next, you'll see an option that says Add People or Groups. Tap on this to start adding chats to your list. A window will pop up displaying your contacts and groups. Now, it's time to select the contacts and groups you want to add. Simply tap on each name to select them. Once you've chosen everyone you want to include, tap the Done checkmark. This will save your changes and add the selected chats to your custom list. And that's it. You've successfully added people or groups to your custom list on WhatsApp. Now, you can easily filter your chats and find exactly who you're looking for, making your WhatsApp experience much more organized and efficient. Custom lists are a fantastic way to manage different areas of your life, all within one app. Experiment with different lists for family, work, or hobbies to see what works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.